Hey guys, good afternoon, and I'm Mike with Mass Muscle Cars. Just got a new part in the mail, and I'm excited to share with you guys for the SI. And just wanted to do an unboxing of this. Called the Acuity Curl Control Cold Air Intake System from Acuity. Well, we got my receipt here. Some information, a few decals, a couple of bracelets. German clamps, very nice quality. Some wiring. Silicone coupler. This shit's real nice quality. Even the silicone is, as you can see, it's cut to exact outer diameter of the tubing for the cold air. Real nice quality pot. Another silicone hose coupler, also cut for the OD of the intake pipe. Couple of hoses. An air freshener. Bracket and a rubber snubber. And a bolt with the I like the purple that the Acuity uses on all their stuff. Then we have the intake tube. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. I love that. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but carbon fiber, beautiful. It's like, this is like the nicest intake I've ever seen in my life for the Civics. I mean, top quality, as you can see. This is for the mass air meter. Pull it off the stock intake and you bolt it onto this. But very nice. And I really love the way that they cut the intake to OD so that this slides right in and you get a perfect fit. Yeah, I love that carbon fiber. That's going to look sweet on the car. The only thing I'm not too crazy about is the logo there. My opinion, I think it would have looked better if Acuity just eliminated this white and they put the Acuity in purple letters here, would match the billet pieces. But it still looks nice. Still a nice looking piece. Love the carbon fiber. This back up. Doesn't get scratched. We have the battery relocation tray. Which is made out of stainless steel and I think aluminum, but really nice. It's also got a couple of wiring clips on here, so your wiring all clips on there and looks nice and neat. For the that's for the wiring harness to extend your mass air meter, which is right here. I'm going to do of course, a full install video on this intake manifold, and you guys will be able to see what it looks like, what it sounds like, and I'm also going to get the cartoon, so you guys will also get to see what the power increases. Yeah, really nice, really nice stuff. It was a little pricey, but you know what they say, you get what you pay for. And here's the air filter. Thing's huge, monstrosity, beautiful though. And here's the coupler for the. It's made out of aluminum and it's powder coated black. Again, another German clamp here. Real nice quality. Cannot wait to put this on the car. It's going to look sweet. And it's going to sound as good as it looks. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe. See you on the next one.